She never slows down. She doesn't know why, but she knows that when she's all alone, feels like it's all coming down. She won't turn around. The shadows are long and she fears if she cries that first tear, the tears will not stop raining down. So stand in the rain, stand your ground, stand up when it's all crashing down. You stand through the pain, you won't drown, and one day what's lost can be found. You stand in the rain. She won't make a sound, alone in this fight with herself and the fears whispering. If she stands, she'll fall down. She wants to be found. The only way out is through everything she's running from. Wants to give up and lie down. So stand in the rain, stand your ground, stand up when it's all crashing down. You stand through the pain, you won't drown, and one day what's lost can be found. You stand in the rain.
Why won't you ever tell me anything?
So stand in the rain, stand your ground, stand up when it's all crashing down. Stand through.
Why is it always silent?
You won't
You've never shared a single thing.
Why should I have to tell you anything?
So stand in the